The Trend T35, a professional wet and dry vacuum cleaner suitable for trade and workshop use. It's rated Dust Category Class M to maintain a clean and safe working environment. Featuring a powerful but quiet 1400 watt motor with an advanced auto start feature and an automatic shaker mechanism to maintain a clean filter. It comes complete with an extra long 5-meter hose with a variety of push-fit spouts, extension tubes and adapters. The crevice spout can be used to access tight areas. The upholstery spout is for use on fabrics or small work surfaces. A round brush adapter can be used for more gentle applications, for preparing or finishing. The universal spout can be used to clear wider areas. It comes with 2 clip-on attachments, a brush for floors, and a wiper for liquids. The auto start feature is engaged by selecting the power tool setting. A stepped adapter is supplied for different diameter apertures. Other adapters are also available. The T35 will continue to run for 8 seconds after the power tool has been turned off. The filter shake function is then activated to ensure the filter stays clean and effective. This function can also be selected manually. The cartridge filter can be quickly cleaned or replaced with an easy twist mechanism. Replacing the bag is easy too. Simply twist the hose to remove it. Pull the tag on the old bag to close it and slide the bag upwards to remove it. The new bag slides easily into the grooves on the container. For wet vacuuming, replace the cartridge filter with a no-foam filter. The T35 can contain up to 16 litres of liquid. To engage the blower function, simply remove the air outlet grid and insert the same hose in the opening. The Trend T35 is a vital component in an efficient and safe workshop to remove dust while working, preparing or finishing.